Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to my new video. In this video I am unboxing this only brand new remote control monster truck. This is actually new remote control monster truck, latest model manufacturing. Monster truck colors are available: blue, black, gold, red. Actually red is my favorite color in this monster truck, and monster truck looks like amazing red color, red and black. And black also looks so nice and looks so amazing. Blue looks so nice and so amazing. Gold is not good, gold is bad. And this is a rock climber monster truck. It's amazing. Actually, now onwards we are unboxing in our channel our previous video normal remote control monster truck.